Day 100. At least that's what it feels like. I'm gonna put all this FRP up, hopefully. Get it accomplished, get it put up, glued, etc. Just about got all this in. I just want to test fit that. Make sure it's gonna fit like it's supposed to. And try to, here, let me get you this. Don't get your, you can get that on your socks.
Oh yeah, I hate the seat.
Got some junk up there.
Need to paint that little strip next to the trim.
Yeah, I'm gonna paint that. This shouldn't take that long to dry, but it doesn't go clear for like 24 hours. I'm tired of working on this. Unfortunately, somewhere in the process of mounting the shower, I tweaked it. You see up in there, I had to re-sweat the lines. I don't know, I had a little leak in there and it was just coming out. So, yeah, there's no way I was going to tear this side up. Absolutely no way. Fortunately, I have another side I can tear and patch really easy, so kind of set me back and aggravating, but at least it's fixed. And I got the towel drying right now. That will finish out the edge. So we're almost done. Almost done with this crazy thing. I thought I was gonna take all this floor up. I put the vapor barrier down, puzzled this in. I'm gonna finish it out with mortar and then put the old floor back in and just glue it down. Well, you'll have to forgive my mess, but I'm making some mortar to put around the wood that I put in, and this way it'll be level. Unfortunately, what I have here is pretty chunky, so I've got to work it through the screen. One part Portland and one part clay. This has all kinds of material in it, so I'm gonna pretty much have to run it through this. And I want to mix that up real good. Oh, the battery. Okay. Got the floor back in. Other than kind of cleaning it up, it's pretty well back together. I'm gonna take all of this Formica off, take these red sinks out. Quit hiding. It's that easy. Okay, about to put on a coat of sealer. We got the first coat in, and it's trying to dry and pull everything up. Then we will sand it and do another coat in the morning, God willing.